Hi guys, my name is Yudi and welcome to my channel. Okay, do you currently have this error on your Power BI when you're trying to do your map visualization both on your app and also on your Power BI web? You can follow the steps to just make your life easier. So first you want to log on. If you're on app, you have to log on to your Power BI web. Just use use the same login like you did on your Power BI, and you go to your settings and you go to admin portal. So on your admin portal, make sure you're on tenant settings. On the tenant settings, you scroll down to integration. I think so. Yeah, integration. So on the integration, you enable all your map visuals. So there are two of them, your zero map visuals. So I enable this, I apply, and I also enable map and fill visual. I enable this, apply. Let me scroll down to apply. Apply. Then also, I always encourage people, if you don't have your single sign-on enabled, please enable it. So I just enable it. So that's all. So all I have to do, I go back to my home and I click on my reports. Okay, it's not showing, so all you have to do is refresh it. So once you refresh it, and it shows. So easy guys, very easy. So once you refresh it, it shows. So if you are currently on the app, all you have to do is take out your map visual and bring it back in, and it's going to reflect. Please like this video, subscribe and share. Bye, see you in my next video. Bye.